Hey guys, welcome to Technology Shop. This is the new video of pattern printing and today we are going to discuss new pattern here. If you didn't watch previous video of this pattern printing series, then please watch them all, especially part 1, because we have discussed various basic terms and points related to pattern printing in that video. So that will be very helpful for you guys, and that is why I am suggesting you to watch especially part 1. So before starting, I would like to say, if you are new to this channel, then please do click on subscribe button to get notification of my new videos. So let's start this video here. Okay, today we are going to discuss and try this pattern here. So let's try to extract basic information which we need to print this pattern. Number of outer loop. So to find number of outer loop, what we have to count? We have to count number of rows. And how many rows we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 rows and our outer loop will run 5 times. Now second thing is that we need to find number of inner loop. So to find number of inner loop, what we have to count? We have to count number of columns. And how many columns we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 columns and our inner loop will run 5 times. Now what third information we require? What to print? So we can see here how printing starts here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 in the first row. In the second row again 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this pattern continues to till 5th row. This means the value are changing column wise. We already know and discussed in earlier video that if value changes column wise, then using which loop variable we can print this pattern? Yes, using inner loop variable. So this type of value we can get using inner loop variable. So what we will print here? Inner loop variable. If we assume j as our inner loop variable, then we will print the value of j here. Okay. Now how our code will look like? Outer loop will run 5 times and code snippet will look like this. For I is equal to 5, I is greater than equal to 1, I minus minus. Here I am running our outer loop from 5 to 1. You can run it from 1 to 5 or 11 to 15 and any 5 consecutive loop. It will not impact our pattern because this pattern depends on inner loop variable. Okay. Now if we see our inner loop, we can see here printing starts from 5 to 1. So we will run our inner loop from 5 to 1. If this pattern value starts from 7 instead of 5, then we will run our inner loop accordingly, that is 7 to 3 or 2. So our inner loop code will look like this. For j is equal to 5, j is greater than equal to 1, j minus minus. So I have written our outer loop exactly same as inner loop because it will be same and easy to understand. So that is why I have written like this. You can change the outer loop condition to execute 5 times accordingly to your need. Now third thing is we are printing the value of j. So our statement comes here like this: system.out.print and the value of variable j. And in between inner loop and outer loop we will give new line statement like system.out.println. So this is our code for this particular pattern. I think this is enough theory to understand the logic. Let's start the practical approach of this program. Let's start to write fifth program in Eclipse. Right click on project, go to new and click on class. Give the name of your class. I will give pp5, means pattern printing 5, and now click on finish. Inside class we will define our main method: public static void main, string argument, and inside main method we will define our outer loop. For int I is equal to 5, I is greater than equal to 1, I minus minus, and inside our outer loop we will define our inner loop. For int j is equal to 5, j is greater than equal to 1, j minus minus, and inside inner loop we will print the value of inner loop variable, that is system.out.print j, and in between inner loop and outer loop variable we will give new line statement, that is system.out.println. So everything looks good and there is no error. Let's try to execute this program. Run as Java application. Great, congratulations, we have successfully printed our pattern. So guys, this video ends here, and if you like this information then please do click on like button to support me. Thank you guys, bye, see you again.